Warning, this content is not for kids. If you're a kid, f off.
Regular viewers or old school viewers will recognise this place. Just a quick recap. This was the very first job I ever had away from the farm. It was a nightclub. And down here, boys and girls, that's where I found One Eyed Willy. And he sat there for 3 days with his face tucked into that corner. There's hundreds of seagulls up there. That one there, oh, I wish you a better life in the next one, you bloody stink. That one was hanging off the edge of that, so they must have pushed it. They must have pushed it. Allow me to explain. One Eyed Willy is a seagull. He's a baby seagull. He's about 6 weeks old because he's still got a tiny, tiny little bit of fluff on him waiting to turn into feathers. He's had an eyeball poked out. One of his wings is injured. He's very, very, very depressed and he doesn't want to eat. Drinks a little bit, but he just wants to sleep, close his eyes, because he's got an eye injury. I've just been to Pound Stretchers around the corner and got a basin. Can't believe I never had a basin. Everybody's got one of these under their sink. Eh, well, I didn't. Come on, Alan. Up the road. We can't go that way because there's construction going on. Come on, Alan. Come on, Alan. Yeah, so we're going away up the road to try and give Willie his first swimming lesson. Yay! While I'm walking up the road, I can cut to some mobile phone footage filmed in portrait mode like an idiot. 3 days we were keeping an eye on One Eyed Willy, and because I have Alan, we was able to keep an eye on him regularly. Every time I took Alan out for a pee, we went and checked on Willy, and he was just sitting in a wee depressed state. And the reason I believe that it was his own mum that poked its eye out. Parents won't let you get anywhere near a chick. They'll make noises, they'll swoop at you and stuff like that. They didn't do that when I was near, and I mean, I was stroking him, trying to feed him. They didn't care when I wrapped a blanket round him and picked him up to take him home. All the other seagulls just watched. They just watched. They didn't attack me, they didn't swoop, they didn't make crying noises. So he was abandoned. Alan and I just felt absolutely horrible and decided we'll take him up the road. So the clip you're watching right now is the first hour or so of having Willy in the house. I still kept him wrapped in the blanket because he felt secure in there. Yeah, I managed to pick him up and carry him up the road, and no other seagull did a single thing about it. They just watched. They didn't want him. So he's part of our gang now. Well, until he learns how to fly, and then we'll release him into the wild. I'm feeding him some raw eggs just now. Seems to, well, he or she, I don't know yet. Seems to be liking them though. That's the third egg, and he's like, yeah, I've had my fill. And even Alan's had a sniff right up to the beak and didn't bite him. You know, hungry. Seagulls normally devour everything. Hey, wee scavengers, you eat rubbish. Would you rather have a kebab? We've named this wee cracker Willy because it's got one eye. After the character in Goonies, One Eyed Willy. Take your mind out the gutter. Are you okay, mate? No. There's Alan's box of destroyed toys. He destroys them within a minute of getting them. Does that feel better, mate? Does that? I went away to the shops and I come back expecting to find a shredded seagull, thinking Alan might have got it, but they seem to be cool, and he's found his way outside. I left the window open. And there's some sausages for you as well, mate. Some wee sausages. Get them. Get them in you. Your eyeball looks bloody sore, mate. Looks bloody sore. Yes, yes it does. There's clearly no scared of me and Alan because it's facing, its good eye's always facing away, checking everywhere else. Yeah, it's kept its blind eye turned to us. They're not yours. No, they're Willy's. That's Willy's snacks. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Want some treats, Alan? Come on, let's get some treats. Would you care for a sausage? Would you care for another sausage? Good cat. One more sausage. Willy, look what I've got for you. Look, Uncle Dan says if they give you a tin of tuna because you're no eating, are you going to eat a tin of tuna? Everything in me wanted to drain this can, but I thought we'll keep the liquids in there. What's that? Does that smell good? What's that? You're not having it. Look. Will I sit it there? So I'm not looking for a viewfinder, guys, sorry. Too busy paying attention to the wee fella. Yeah, there's the rain coming on, mate. There's the rain coming on. You don't mind the rain, do you? You're a seagull. Mate, that's tuna chunks in spring water. You better get some of that, don't you? Don't walk away from it. Willie, you want to tell Uncle Dan he's full of shit? See, you're full of shit, Uncle Dan. Not even touching that tuna fish. Not even touching it. He's a good boy, Alan. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Eh? Is that not a good dog or what? Eh? I bet you everything in him wants to shake that. I figured out why it's sleeping a lot, and it's not actually sleeping. It's just keeping its good eye closed, because when you get an eye injury and you go to hospital, they patch up both of your eyes because one of your eyes hurts and the other eye's moving about. Well, the hurt eye still moves about at the same time, does it? So I think that's what's happening there. He's just keeping his eyes closed because it's less painful. Yeah. See, look, he's not scared of us at all, man. That's his dead eye right there, look. Can't see anything. There you go, mate. There you go. And you want to eat some tuna? Look, get some of that. Try it. You'll like it. Right, Alan, come here. These ones are yours. We'll try and give one. Would you like one? Right, Alan's eating them. That's his favourite. There you go, Alan. You got it. You being a good boy, yeah. Right, let me clean up some poop out the way. Look. Mate, for somebody that's no eating, you're sure pooping a lot. Eh? Yeah, Alan, good boy, Alan. Thank you for being nice. Oh, did you see that wingspan there? It's not quite ready to fly yet, eh, you little fluff ball. Good dog, Alan, you're a good doggy. Yes, you are. Get the rest of these, Alan, look, there you go. Wait a minute, I'll put them down there, look. You can get the rest of them. He's already eaten half of them anyway. I caught him, he thought he was being fly. I love how this wee fella's just no scared of Alan at all. Eh? You know why? Because he's already been beat up from his own mum and dad, had an eyeball taken out, a wing broken, a lot. Nothing scares that wee bird anymore, does it? It's already been through the worst. My wee boy, my wee boy. Thank you for being a good boy, Alan. Thank you. Always blame the owners. That's why he's a good guy, because he's got a good owner. He was raised well, weren't ya? You raised well. Can you tell? I'm shredding up. This is Deep Digger Dan's idea. Sorry, Trail Cam Dan's idea. I should have made a straw nest for One Eyed Willy but I don't have straw. Well, there's plenty of straw up the plot, but I can't get to the plot. Not just now. So, right now, I'm chopping up newspapers that I've had collected for years for art projects, and I'm going to put them inside one of my Magnum boot boxes. You helping? We're all sleeping in the same room tonight just to make sure One Eyed Willy feels comfortable. We did that last night as well. There's your food and your water. Look. There you go. Is that better? Nice comfy bed for you. Nice comfy bed. Alan's just sniffing your butt because he likes to sniff butts. Yes, he does. Yes. Hey, you bite me. You nibbled on me, you wee press. You don't like getting your head touched, do you? You like getting your belly tickled, you just don't like getting your head touched. Okay. Alan's going to sleep there, and I'm going to sleep there. Look, we're all sleeping together. We are family. I got all the budgies with me. You big budgie. The box is empty because he slept on my feet last night and he pooped a couple of times. And there's Alan. Hiya, mate. Oh, he's awake. Right, I see ya, mate. Hiya, Willie. Here's another reason why I think, well, why I know it was abandoned. It hasn't been crying on its mum, not once. It hasn't made a single noise. Even when I picked it up, it didn't squawk or nothing. Yeah. Wee shame, man. Wee shame. Right, I'm going to get another coffee. See, that's the sound of Alan licking his balls. I don't know how to get it to eat. Even if I get a syringe, I need to... Oh, were you trying to eat there? Or were you pecking me? I think you were pecking me. Yeah. Yeah, because even if I get a syringe, I've still got... It doesn't even hurt, you're just a baby. What am I scared of? Right, this is what happens, just walks away. So even if I get a syringe, yeah, do some weights, get strong. If I get a syringe to try and feed it, I still have to manage to get I have to get your beak open to get the syringe in, don't I? Come on, mate, please. Please. Did you know seagulls can actually filter out salt? They're the only species that can drink salt water and fresh water. How cool is that? Come on. Stop being a pest. Look, out the way a minute, Alan. We've got a ramp set up with a basin of water. Well, you pack it in. So Willie can get up and in there and yeah. It's going to get messy. Right, I'm going to go to the shops. I'm going to try and find a baby syringe so I could maybe feed Willie with that. Although I need to get him to open his bloody mouth to get the syringe in. Right, mate, I have a syringe and I have some whisked up egg. Do you think you'll let me put that in your mouth? You know my great tits aren't they're not gonna come and land on the sledge with you here. Eh? Cause you eat them, don't ya? Right. I paid 50 pence for this syringe. You better bloody eat this. Right, come on, open your mouth. How do I get you to open your mouth? How do I get you to open? Open. Come on. Taste it. He's petting the camera. Do you like that tripod, do you? It's very creaky. Here, have some egg. No, honestly, come on, Willie. You're worse than my kids. Open that beak. Open the beak. Open your wee beak. Come on, let's get some food in there, boy. That's it. You're getting a taste for it though, aren't you? Is it tasty? Willie, open this beak. Eh? Open this beak. Open your beak. Come on, open your beak. What we got? Get some water. You picking that towel. Look, you climb up there and you can jump in. Well, I'll show you, look. Stop trying to peck me. I'll put you there, look. Is that better? You just poop there. Honestly, you're a shitting machine. You getting a drink? Okay. Well, at least you're drinking. Eh? At least you're having a drink. You won't be dehydrated, eh? Get in there. Yes, get in. Yes! Good boy. Who's a good boy? Alan, look, good. Why do you have that? Honestly, he's the most powerful nose on the planet, but when he sniffs a job, he's got to stick his nose right in it. Right in it. That's it, mate. That's it. Yay. Hey, is this your first bath actually? I think it might be your very first ever bath, eh? That's it, mate. Make a mess. I'll get a bit of tissue and clean that poop. There, you wee shit machine. Is that better, mate? Is that? There's my phone. There we go. Somebody's enjoying their first bath. That's it, mate. Make all the mess you like. Hey, make all the mess. I'm going to go and edit this footage and put it on YouTube because we haven't uploaded a video for over a week now. So this is what you're getting, boys and girls. Say thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all again very, very soon. I have legal things going on tomorrow, so I can't really go camping till after that. So that's why I haven't been camping, just preparing for all that. So here's your fill for just now. I'll keep you all updated on a little feather puss right now, eh? We'll keep you updated. Go on, trying to bite me, you wee best. Say thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hitting the like button. Super big fat thanks to all you subscribers.